Antarctica has had for years an astonishing goal to explore the remotest ecosystem on Earth, lying directly beneath the most extreme climate on Earth. The ecosystem is Lake Vostok, an enormous fresh surface of the Antarctic land mass. The water remains liquid because it is trapped between the enormous insulating pressure of the ice sheet above it and the geothermal energy below it. After years of drilling, Russian scientists reached the lake surface last Sunday, just in time to close up shop and fly home before the weather worsens as the Antarctic winter approaches. This is, by any measure, an extraordinary engineering feat and a major scientific accomplishment. When drilling season comes again, scientists will be probing subglacial lakes all across Antarctica. The Russian team will begin sampling water from Lake Vostok, and American and British teams will begin their own drilling work elsewhere. What makes Vostok the prize is that it is both the largest of Antarctica's lakes and astonishingly ancient. It has been sealed off from the outer world for some 15 million to 34 million years. Scientists hope that it will contain undiscovered life forms that tell us most about our planet's past and give a hint of what life might exist in lakes beneath the icy surface of other planets. When the Antarctic summer comes again, we will see what the scientists, like patient ice fishermen, manage to catch. Facebook is Using You by Laurie Andrews, points seen discussed before that I surf guitar sites and many may lower my credit limit because rockers tend to be a risk. Who knew? And we all know by now not to post photos of office parties on Facebook. But one big concern I have not seen discussed is whether or not having a Facebook page is a liability. An acquaintance recently told me that his church had hired a new minister. The final decision on which of two excellent candidates to hire came down to their Facebook pages. Presumably, candidates without Facebook pages didn't get a second look. Are we at the point where low internet presence equals low job prospects? It is ludicrous that Congress is again deadlocked over how to ensure health care access to the elderly and the military when a perfect solution is available. After 13 short-term patches to the Medicare payment problem in the last decade, we're back to the same scenario of square one. Congress needs to take the fiscally responsible action. Eliminate the Medicare physician payment formula to ensure access to care for Medicare and TRICARE military patients, and stop increasing the cost for taxpayers. It makes no sense to continue to pay more to preserve a policy that everyone agrees is flawed. The price to end this problem will never be less than it is right now. There is a unique opportunity to use projected spending for the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan to protect access to care for the military and the elderly without aiding or adding to the nation's deficit. Congress should grab this chance to do the rigid right thing for our military, the elderly, and taxpayers. That was written by the President.